Okay, the first one. 他今年To describe the picture. To complete the sentence. Okay, the first picture. 他是 what? 他今年 what? Page 33.
Situation?
Yes. 他今年
Age?
Yeah, it's age. 他今年 how old? What to put? 7岁。7 years old. Yes, 他是孩子哦，他是学生，他今年7岁。OK, second picture. 他家有3个人。Yeah, 哦，3口人 both OK. OK, next one. 他是我们的汉语。他今年 Also talk about age. What? 13岁 13 years old. 30 how to say? Yes, 30 not 13. The last one. 这是张老师的他今年这是张老师的 What? 女儿 OK, 这是张老师的女儿，她今年 So this picture depends. You think the older one is 张老师 or the younger one is 张老师 Then the answer is different, right? Okay, for example, if the older one is 张老师 So 这是张老师的女儿，她今年20岁 20, yes. So if the older one is 张老师 So 这是张老师的女儿，她今年20岁 Okay. So all the picture talk about actually the age to practice, right? Okay. So next, let's answer the question on the up top. Answer the question quickly, okay? So if the question here, if the question use 你家有几口人 Then when you answer, you also use 口 You say 我家有3口人 If the question 是你家有几个人 You answer also say 我家有3个人 Yeah, so when we answer, try to use the same word to copy. For example, many times when asked a question, if you try to change, then sound is strange. Also take time to think. You use the same word. For example, what's your name? So people if ask 你叫什么名字 Say 我叫 Linda. Some people if say 你的名字是什么 Then you say 我的名字是 Linda. Okay? You use the same way to answer. Yes. The same here. Say 你家有几口人 3口。你家有几个人 Say 3个人。Yes, try to use the same one. When you talk to local people, the same. So try to use the same word he or she use. Okay? So 你家有几口人 OK, 我家有3口人 or 4口人 5口人。你今年多大啦？
我今年30岁了。
Yes, OK. So 我今年30了我今年35了。你的汉语老师今年多大啦？
今年
60 你的中国朋友家有几口人？
我的中国朋友家有
5口人 OK。你的中国朋友今年多大啦？
我的中国朋友今年 25 30
Okay, 30 or 25, whatever, right? Yes, okay. Just remember, when answer the question, try to use the same word the question used. Okay. Okay, so this is lesson 5 finished. Any question? 有没有问题 Okay, 没有问题 Now let's continue here.
I have a question.
Yes.
The last question is Nida chungwa pangyo jinyan do dala. The answer is Wada chungwa pangyo jinyan sanshi suela, shanshi sue, sanshi la. Which one is correct?
All okay. All okay. Yes, okay. If you want to be clear, you better add 岁. So when we talk about the age, okay, for example, say, 你今年多大了? Or 你今年多大岁了? You answer say, 我今年30岁了. Or 我今年30了. Or 我今年30岁. All okay. So I suggest you use 岁 better because then very clear. People know you are talking about the age. Yes. Better say 30岁. Or 30岁了. So 了 here we put 了 not necessary. Okay, you have 了 no have 了 fine. Okay, so 了 is for past tense. Lesson 14 we will talk about 了. Yes, talk about age. You use 了 or you don't use fine. Okay, yeah. Okay.